Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. In today's recipe, here I'm going to take a pan and add half a tablespoon of oil. And to this pan, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let this fry for a minute. After 1 minute, once the cumin seeds start to crackle, you can then add 2 sliced onions. After adding the onions, you can fry it for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And then fry this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. After frying this for a minute, here I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 tablespoons of water. I'm then going to fry all of this really well and let this cook for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can then mix all of this really well and let this cook for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, here I'm going to add half kg of chopped ready-made seekh kabab. And 1 sliced capsicum. Along with this, here I'm also going to add the salt as per taste. I'm then going to mix all of this really well and let this cook for around 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, here you can then add some coriander leaves to garnish the dish. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.